Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your own watermarks to videos using CapCut. So once you have your logo or whatever you're going to use, make sure it's properly imported into the media pool inside of CapCut. Then all you have to do is drag and drop it into your timeline. Make sure it's properly lined up. Then I'm going to edit it, make it smaller and change its position in the frame. That looks about right. And scroll down a little, you're going to see this option called blend. And under blend, we have opacity. Let's bring the opacity down. About 60% should be good. And let's watch the video. So as you can see, the watermark is visible in the lower left corner. There's another way to add watermarks, and that's if you want to use text. So for example, we want something that says maybe like pool club, right? Let's change it to bold, italic, and in much the same way, we scroll down, check the blend, and change the opacity. So now there's a pool club watermark at the bottom left. All you have to do is extend it. And in case you want to add more clips, make sure that it still covers the entire duration of the video. That's how to add watermarks to videos using CapCut. I hope I was able to help, and thank you for watching.